What's going on, guys? I'm happy to bring you guys another video. This time it's on the Nintendo Switch OLED. So this is Nintendo's new Switch. So the previous one, they came out with a revamp of the original one that they made. So this is the newest one out. There's nothing hugely new about it besides the screen, and that's usually about it. It might be a little bit faster, but the screen is why they came out with a new one. So there's nothing special on the box here. They did come out with a new stand for it, but as you can see, it looks pretty much like the old one. The only difference with this one is that stand that's up there that you guys can see, and it's OLED, but everything else works the same, and it does come with white Joy-Cons. Now there's another one that comes in the red and blue like the original one, so there is no gray model like there was before with the previous one. But let's open this puppy up, because this is what you guys are here to see. So it still comes with all the same stuff the original one came with. So here's the Switch right up front here. Put this off to the side. Then you got your controllers. Controllers are the same, work the exact same, but they're just in white now. And that I know of, I don't think you could get white controllers before, unless you did like customizations or anything like that. Comes with the HDMI cable. Comes with the power brick. It's still USB Type-C, so nothing changed there. And it comes with still the controller handheld version of it. Then you also have the case. And there's nothing different about the case too much besides that it's in white now. But other than that, you still have, actually I lied, there is something different. If you guys can see down here, you have an actual Ethernet right there, which is what didn't come with the previous one, so I lied. Then you have your AC adapter, HDMI, and then they put your USBs on the outside, which is a lot better than putting them on the inside. Then on the back here, this just snaps in, hopefully. There we go. Snaps in and has an organizer for your cable. But everything else looks the same, if you ask me. Nothing too different. Now, for the main piece that you guys were looking for. So, the big difference, obviously I said before, is the screen. So the previous screen, as you know, on the previous Nintendo Switches, the other two, there was two, on the previous other two, the border's really big. Now, as you guys can semi-see, the screen starts up here, runs all the way, if you guys can see, down here. Now, there still is somewhat of a border, chin, forehead, and all that jazz, but everything else is reasonably the same. The controller's still sliding in normal, still have your power button, volume, your vent for cooling, still your slot for the same cards that they've been using. Then the stand pops out here. So with the stand, you have the multiple different modes where you can adjust the height to where you want it, so it works for you. Then open up one of the controllers here. But there you go, guys. Literally the same. Feels the exact same. I don't feel anything different. But this is just an unboxing as of right now. But I do have the original Switch, so I'll do a comparison video between those two. So just look out for that video. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.